Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Grade 2. This is your lesson of science. In this, I will explain the characteristics or properties of living things and non-living things. Living things. Living things can grow, eat, breathe, move, expel the waste and have babies. There are two examples given, plant and hen. You know plant grow, hen grow, chick grow and changes into hen. All living things are natural. Always all living things are natural. Man cannot make living things by their own. And all living things can grow. Eat. They have to eat food to live. They breathe. They move from one place to another. They expel the waste. Means the waste when they eat, when they take the foods and the waste materials, they have to expel from the body and they have babies. Plant grow and they produce seeds, and from the seeds we can grow new plants. Now these are non-living things. The properties of non-living things are given. They cannot grow, they cannot eat, they cannot breathe, they cannot move, they cannot expel the waste, and they do not have babies. All non-living things are not natural. Some are man-made and some are natural, like stone. Stone is a natural non-living thing, and TV is a man-made non-living thing. And just like TV, chairs, tables, cupboards, all are man-made non-living things. Compare the properties of both these. Then you have to read the text from your booklet. Unit number 3, living and non-living things. All the living things can grow, eat, breathe, move, expel the waste and have babies, and all non-living things cannot do these. All plants, human, animals, birds and insects are living things. All living things are natural. They are made by Allah. For example, plants and animals. But all the non-living things are not natural. Some of them are natural, like rocks, soil and moon, and some of them are man-made, like table, board and cloth. All living things need water, air and food to live. What are the requirements? What are the needs of living things? Water, air, food. Now there are key questions. You have to memorize the answers of these questions. You have to find the answers of these questions by yourself, and it can be done only when you will read the text several times. After doing this page number 56, you have to do page 57. You have to copy these words in the booklet. Means you have to write these words in the booklet. There is no need to memorize the spellings of these words, only write the words.